Yes, sir. They got it going. Ooh, that thing looks freaking amazing, dog. I'm excited. We here at Omars Wheels, man, getting it cracking. What's up, guys? Before we start this video, man, I just wanted to let you guys know we do have brand new hats available. Yes, man, brand new everything regular hats. Not only do we got those, they match the bike. This hat matches our first place prize, which is our 2022 Ford F350 Dually and our 2022 Road Glide Special. This hat matches our second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide with a built 124 on that joint. This hat matches our Reese's Pieces thing, but this isn't in the giveaway just yet. Then, of course, if we had our Daytona 131 still, man, this would match that. But Breast Cancer Awareness Month is next month, so this falls right into play, man. And all of those will give you entry into the Big 22. Yes, man, the Big 22. We got new hats. Everything is $75 today only, man. All you guys got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, let's get back to the video. Alrighty, guys, out here next morning, man. We got the big dually truck in the back. We're actually filling up with some diesel right now, so that's pretty exciting. Look at this thing. This thing looks like a freaking beast right here. Nice LED lights, and oh man, I'm excited. We're actually on our way up to Dallas right now to Omar's Wheels. We about to get these wheels on this thing, man, because you guys know I like to ride how I like to ride, man. So these stocks is not gonna cut it for me. However, it's gonna be a movie, man. I can't wait. It's time to go up, dog. High country in full effect, big Texas style. It's time to slide, man. And just like that, man, we done pulled up. My guy is out here, man. How you doing? Good seeing you, man.
Good to see you, brother. Good,
yeah,
good,
man.
good.
We back here at Omars, man, in Dallas, Texas, man. Y'all know we had to pull up. So you remember the Corvette, right?
Yes, sir.
So, man, you know we got to get the truck right, man. You know we got to get some feet on this thing and have this thing shining up, man.
We got to, bro. We're gonna put the Omar touch on it, bro.
You feel me?
Looking right.
You feel me? It ain't gonna be that orange thing over there sitting up high, but it's gonna be looking nice, man.
It's looking nice. It's gonna be the one that can haul that one.
Right, huh? Yeah, no, that'll be the one, huh?
That's gonna look good. Come on, bro. Come on in. Let me show you.
Let's see what we got here today, man. So y'all done got. What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, dog.
How are you, brother?
For sure, for sure.
How was your car? It's good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it.
You like it?
No leaks or nothing yet, so it's been A1. I'm telling you, I went to rim shops in LA, man. Every time I get my rims out there, I get slow leaks, so on and so forth. This is the first time I ain't have no leaks.
Man, I'm glad to hear that, bro.
Yeah, nah, it's all good, man.
What people are telling you on the colors, but they like the color? The paint coat?
Say it again?
How'd you like the paint?
Oh, I love it, bro. Yeah, I love it, man. I love it.
Sweet, brother. So we were talking about doing what? Some 6s, some 4s?
Man, so
we're talking about a little bit of everything, bro.
yeah,
So I got it all though. See, I got down to 28s.
Oh my, he said 28s. Oh my God, man, he trying to have me big slide, man.
You know that fuel came out with that new all-terrain tire too.
Oh man,
came out with that 285 4028 fuel all-terrain tire, bro. Man, amazing tire. I can fit it with the leveling kit.
Yeah. Well, let me check. Let me get this situated. I'm gonna get it back at y'all in a second. Yes, sir, man.
760.
Oh my God, y'all know my guy. Y'all see the emblem on that joint, man. My guy got the 4Gs for me, man. Big 6s going on that thing. See, I came up here. I thought we was gonna do 24s or something. My guy Jesus got me right today, man. I'm excited. I'm excited, man. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, I'm excited, dog. And I just asked about these, like, yeah, we just got these in the mail, so that was like perfect for me, man. Yeah, that's definitely perfect. Look at that. Y'all see what's going on, man. Big 6s.
Set it up next to it.
Yeah, it's gonna look nice.
A little pretty.
Yeah. Let's see. Just a little bit of the oohs and ahs. Oh yeah. Y'all see what's going on. That's the Big Daddy right there. I like that, man. Yeah, we about to flood.
Yes, sir.
We about to flood. Y'all see where we at, man. Omar's Wheels and Tires, Dallas, Texas, man. Y'all need any rims for y'all truck, car, anything, man. Y'all seen we got the vet wheels last time, and we had to pull back up and get right, man. I'm digging it.
Y'all see what's leveling kit?
Oh, man, it's about to be a movie, man. Y'all know we got the leveling kit going on this thing, and everything is gonna look like a freaking beast. Big 4G's going on the big dually truck, man. It's time to go up. Y'all know we ain't playing, man. We came to shine and came to do our thing, man. Came to do our thing. Y'all see where we at, though. Big Dallas, Texas. Let's check out. We already seen this orange truck right here. Let's actually check out this white truck, man. They got a bunch of nice whips and trucks and stuff up here. We're gonna try to get this stuff done so we can get back to Houston But golly, this thing right here is freaking huge. Y'all remember this truck? That thing has always been a freaking beast. But look at this white one right here. This one is freaking sick, dog. I ain't gonna hold you. And he on the 4Gs. And he on the 4Gs. I ain't gonna hold you. I wish I had something with a lip. But these Maglias that I'm about to get, they gonna match my Corvette. So that's gonna be real sick. That is gonna be real freaking sick, man. But what y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments. Yes, sir. They got it going. Dang, that thing look nice. That's crazy. Yeah, that thing gonna look cold. I should have got a powder coated. We'll probably get them powder coated down the line or something, but they looking good, man. I'm saying they like it's two wheels on here, but y'all see it though, man. It's time to go. Yeah, I can't wait, man. Big 26s for the win. Alrighty, man. You guys are about to check this thing out with me first, dog. Y'all about to check it out with me first. Ooh. Golly. Big thing who's on that thing, man. Big 26. Big 26. I like that. It's sitting up way beefier now, y'all. Yeah, I think I don't know, this one might got some competition with the Ford now, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I definitely ain't gonna hold you. Them things are sitting up there pretty freaking huge, dog. Wow. It's amazing what a pair of rims can freaking change up on a track. The whole look, literally. Wow. That thing looks freaking amazing, dog. I'm excited. It's time to go up. Y'all see how we slide, man. Big 6s and all that. On 4Gs, man. On the pavement. Now this tire look a little low. I don't know. Maybe that's just how they sit. But we're gonna have to see what's good, man. We're gonna have to see what's good, dog. Alrighty, guys. Let's check this thing out and see how it really is, man. Y'all see what's going on. It's time to go up. It's time to go up, man. We here at Omars Wheels, man, getting it cracking. Y'all see what it is. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Picture perfect, huh? He said, here, let me lift the truck up real quick, spin the wheel, and get the F properly formatted, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here at Omar's Wheels and Tires going up, man. Y'all see what it is. The Big Daddy on the 4Gs, man. Man, y'all got me right today, yes, man. Y'all know what it is, man.
Y'all already know Omar's Wheels, you guys.
Yes,
214-388-7995. Give me a call.
Down. My guy gonna get you right, man. Don't even worry. It's a movie.
He's gonna get 4Gs. He live with 4Gs, bro.
Yeah, no, for sure. They match the car, the bike, everything.
It's 4G gang.
Yeah, it's 4G gang for sure. He got me right today, man. I can't wait. I'm excited, dog. Y'all see what it is, dog. Yeah, I can't wait to hit the highway now, boy. They gonna be like, who's that? Y'all see what's going on.
Coming through.
Y'all see what it is, man. I'm with the guy himself, man. Just like that, guys, we done made it back to the house safe and sound on them 26 things, man. I'm about to get up in here and relax for a sec, man. I'm freaking tired. Tired of driving. Whoop, so on and so forth, man. I haven't even eaten yet. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. And then I did get Reese's Pieces off that thing, man. I'm gonna try to tighten up the chain on that thing so we can go hit the streets. Meanwhile, Reese's Pieces up on the jack stand, man. Let's get this thing tightened up, this chain rather. If we can get this chain tightened up real quick, we can hit the streets, man. Let's see what we can get done. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see where we at, man. The famous turkey leg cut, man. It's freaking Saturday night, man. We out here. It's Hard Riders weekend, man. So I actually pulled up on some of the fellas, man. Y'all see where we at. We got some of the bikes out here, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the bikes out here, though. Y'all see what's going on, man. It's time to go up. Take a walk down this way, man. I see y'all out here, dog. They out here. Hard Riders is in the building, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. We got the track right here. This thing look pretty sick. I ain't gonna hold you. Definitely look pretty sick. Then you got the whips out here back to back, of course. Definitely back to back to back, man. Y'all see what it is. What's up, man? Y'all see what it is. They got the old school Big Daddy out here, man. Then, of course, you got Mr. CJ So Smooth out here, man. So Smooth gang is in the house, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the things back to back today, man. Yeah, man, you got to tell them where we at, though, man.
Man, we at the Turkey Leg Hunt.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
here from Detroit, man.
Detroit is in the house, man. What was your name again, bro?
Man, my name Daz, bro.
Daz, man. My guy Daz is in the
bro.
house, man. He just pulled up on me like, man, I like the bike. Hold up, that's everything regular, man. You know what it is, man.
And I'm a beginner rider, first year rider. So
Okay, my guy got the Harley too. Him and his girl, they big slide, man.
Big slide. It's on,
Okay, so what you think about the bike in person, man? You got to tell them in person, man.
Hey, man.
Don't hesitate to walk around and get a little glimpse, man.
This is everything. Everything and more. That orange and that copper.
Right.
That orange and that copper.
Oh, you like it, huh? My God.
Dog, you killed them with that.
Hey, no, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it.
See the nut.
Man, so did you bring a bike down here to ride with us this weekend or what, man?
No, man, I didn't.
Oh, my
I brought
God.
my family to vacation. This is my first time in Houston.
Okay, it's a movie then, man. It's a movie, man. You came on a good night because, like, it's supposed to be like a big bike event out here tonight. So earlier, it was a whole day party on this street. It was cracking earlier. So, yeah, man, it's going up all night, man.
Man, we went to the Houston Astros game. We going to the.
Oh, y'all went to the Astros game?
Yeah.
See, I ain't even been in there yet. How was that?
It was live, bro.
It was lit?
It was live.
Oh, that's
I had
cool,
fun.
man.
People buying me drinks and shit.
That's a
You know
movie.
what I'm
That's a
saying?
movie. That's a movie.
Then tomorrow we going to the Texas and Coast game.
Oh, damn. So how long y'all out here for?
We leave after the game tomorrow.
Okay, got you. So y'all had a ball then since y'all been out here?
Tow up the mall, everything.
It's good, man. It's good.
Bro,
My guy Daz from Detroit, man. He in the house, man. I appreciate you, man. You already know, man. It's all love, bro.
Bro, I love everything you doing. Keep the positive energy.
Hey, man, I appreciate it, bro.
Keep everything going. Keep everybody getting a chance.
Hey, man, you know it's a movie, man. We gonna try, man. You see where we at, though, man. It's good, man. Oh, my God, man. Y'all see what it is.
Little test
Yeah, man, we out here with the guys tonight, man. Y'all see what's going on, man.
Put that bitch in the air.
Look, huh? It's a movie. Look. Told you that motherfucker go up. Ooh, that's crazy. I told
I don't want to go too crazy. We ain't gonna cuss my ass out.
Look.
We ain't gonna cuss my ass out.
So it work or what?
That motherfucker work. Ooh. I tell you what, if that nigga, man, listen.
Yeah, I see
Tell you what, this motherfucker responsible as fuck.
Y'all see what it is, man.
Smile as soon as you touch it.
I told you. That shit right up there.
As soon as you touch it, that hoe going up.
Yeah. Oh, dog, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here turkey leg hut going up with the guys and all that,
Nice
man.
bike, boy. That motherfucker work.
Good looking, man.
Oh, I'm like, ooh, I just love the bike when it got a 21 on there because I can do
It's
everything I wanted to
perfect. That
do.
23 is a little bit too big.
Shit, like,
So they got a 21 on there?
hell yeah.
21 18?
Yeah.
Promise.
23, that bitch ain't gonna live like one.
It's too heavy.
That's how you pull up, man. They got the Rari with the Porsche, with the Bentley back to back, man. I'm telling you, with the Cullinan. That's how you pull up. That's how you pull up right there. Cullinan and there. That's how you pull up. That's how you pull up. We out here in Houston going yay yay. Yes, sir. That's how you pull up right here, man. Big Cullinan on that thing, man. Big Cullinan though. Yes, sir. Just like that, man, we done made it back to the house safe and sound. I'm telling you, this Reese's Pieces bike is definitely one of my favorite fun freaking bikes, dude. You hit the gas on this thing goes right in the air. Literally just a freaking fun bike, man. I can't wait. It's been a freaking fun weekend. I've been tired. I still ain't caught up on sleep, but we've been having a ball, man. It's time to go up. It's actually time to get this Road King stuff situated, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this one right here, man. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys seen the video today. We not only picked up our set for our Road King and stuff. It's time to get that thing situated. We finally back from the West Coast, man. We back out here in Houston. It's time to go up, man. We got a brand new freaking truck. Not only that, man, we went and sat that thing on 6s, so on and so forth, man. I can't even believe it right now. I was on my way up there to get some 24s and some American 4s. I came back with some 26s and Forgiatos, man. So I'm digging it right now, man. I got my truck. Now you guys' truck is about to come to one of y'all's, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the big 22, you guys know I'm giving away my 2022 Ford F350 dually truck. Yes, man, the truck, and as well for first place, our 2022 Road Glide Special. Yes, man. So the bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that truck when you get that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide right here with the whole 124 on there. Not only that, man, we do got the hat to match that bad boy, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you a hat or a patch or anything on the site that's on sale right now, and you'll be entered in for a chance to win. Meanwhile, that was just first and second place, man. You guys know we got third place, which is our 2018 Street Glide Special back there. Thing is looking freaking amazing. Now we are waiting on some rims and stuff still. So when we take that trip back out to LA, man, all of the bikes and stuff in the garage should be complete. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys seen the new hats, man. If you guys haven't, here it is. Meanwhile, last night, man, we had a hell of a ball and all the above, man. So it's a Sunday here, man. I'm about to get up, get dressed, get this video out to y'all, and then try to see what's good for Sunday Fun Day, man. Because yesterday I was on the bike and we was club hopping and stuff. So I was literally valeting the Harley Davidson. Y'all see what it is, man. But today, I think we're gonna be in a vet. So I'm gonna go get dressed, get that thing cleaned up, and we'll be back in motion in no time, man. So with that being said, I appreciate all you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys in a sec, man. Peace.